How do density-dependent factors affect population growth? Imagine a busy city street during rush hour. As more cars fill the road, traffic slows down, and it becomes harder for each vehicle to move freely. This is similar to what happens in nature when populations grow larger. Density-dependent factors are biological influences that change how populations grow based on how crowded they are. When a population gets bigger, these factors tend to become stronger, acting like traffic jams that slow down growth. One major factor is competition for resources. When many animals or plants are trying to use the same limited food, water, or space, some won't get enough to survive or reproduce successfully. As the population density increases, competition gets tougher, leading to fewer babies being born and more deaths. Predators also play a role. When prey populations become dense, predators find it easier to hunt, which can reduce the prey numbers. This natural check helps keep the prey population from growing too large. Diseases and parasites spread more quickly in crowded populations. Think about how colds spread faster in packed classrooms. When many individuals are close together, illnesses can spread rapidly, causing higher death rates or making individuals weaker and less able to reproduce. Waste buildup is another factor. In dense populations, waste products can accumulate, polluting the environment and harming the health of the population, which can also lower reproduction rates. All these factors create a feedback loop. As the population grows, these biological pressures increase, slowing down growth and often stabilizing the population around a certain size, called the carrying capacity. This is the maximum number of individuals an environment can support over time without degrading resources. Understanding how these density-dependent factors work helps ecologists and wildlife managers. They can predict population changes and take steps to protect endangered species or control pests. For example, if a wildlife reserve notices a sudden increase in disease, they might take measures to reduce crowding or improve resources. In short, as populations get larger, biological factors like competition, predation, disease, and waste become more intense. These forces act like natural brakes, preventing populations from growing endlessly and helping ecosystems stay balanced.